What's the meaning of arborio? Arborio. Arborio.
Arborio. Arborio. Arborio is a type of short-grain rice that is mainly cultivated in the Po Valley region of Italy. It is commonly used to make risotto, a creamy and flavorful Italian dish made by cooking the rice with broth until it reaches a creamy consistency. Arborio rice has a high starch content and its grains are firm and chewy when cooked. It is able to absorb liquid well without losing its shape, making it perfect for creating the desired risotto texture. Arborio is widely regarded as one of the best varieties of rice to use for risotto.